Emil Sanchez, if you come forward. What page is he on? Oh, I'm sorry. Where's your attorney?
I'm right here.
Oh, thank you.
Buen día.
Good morning.
For eight.
All right, thank you. All right, so where are we on this case with discovery?
Well, I just brought some information to the DA's attention. They're gonna look into it. But I mean, their first setting, we're pretty good on discovery. We just have this new information.
All right. Norma on Sanchez, set this, let me see. If you can set this for the third week of August. And that's going to be your plea deadline date.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
And you all will have to confer off docket. What date, Ms. Ferguson? All right, August 22nd. On August 22nd, you need to let the court know if you worked out an agreement. If you have not, we'll set you for trial. All right, is there anything else?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused, and thank you for dressing appropriately. Yes. All right, who's here on Joshua Mackey?
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, so today is contested.
Yes, Judge, we've withdrawn.
All right, so I know that y'all have withdrawn, but there are issues in the motion to revoke. Have those been addressed with the withdrawing of this?
Yes.
Yes, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Rich. He has GPS on his ankle. Does he just go over to pre-trial right now, or?
I'm sorry, what?
He has GPS on his ankle. Does he go to
All right.
pre-trial? Or no?
Is there a reason he's on GPS?
You put him on GPS, Judge.
The
bond.
Additional bond.
Okay. All right, State, are you gonna have any objections to the removal of GPS?
No, Your Honor.
All right. All right. We're gonna go on the record. Court is calling 2014 CR 5495, State of Texas versus Joshua Mackey. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Allie Jackson.
Defense,
Kelly Piddle.
are you Mr. Mackey?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, everyone, we're on the record. No talking in the box. Just a moment. All right, why were you late for court?
I wasn't late.
Yeah,
I
you were
was
late.
Okay.
If you're not in the courtroom at 9 o'clock, you're late.
He's in the hall, Judge.
Well, I mean, he can talk. Why were you late?
I was in the hall
Why were you not inside the courtroom?
because I was waiting for my attorney.
All right, court is inside the courtroom. It's not in the hallway.
I understand.
All right, so with regards to the motion to withdraw,
Yes, Your Honor, the state has signed a motion to withdraw the motion to revoke, Your Honor.
all right, and so you're saying that the issues within the motion have been addressed?
Yes, Your Honor, out in Harris County, yes, Your Honor.
All right, now with regards to the GPS removal, do you have any objections?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then GPS will be removed. And probation, you have no objections to the removal of GPS?
No, Judge.
All right, make sure you stay in contact with probation. Probation will tell you what you need to do.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. All right, and Norma, has the jury already been called up?
Yes, ma'am. They should be here by then.
All right, thank you. Cortez, Manuel Cortez. Court is calling 2024 CR 2423, State of Texas versus Manuel Roberto Cortez. Excuse me, Deputy Laura, if you all can move her down to the end. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harris Satterman. Russell Mitchell for Mr. Cortez.
And are you Mr. Cortez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Cortez, did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you
Yes.
sign it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Cortez, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand that you're charged with evading arrest, detention with a vehicle? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, I did, but I mean, I know what I did wrong, but like, I would like to like at least let you know why it happened, what did it happen, why it happened.
All right, we'll get to that point, but right now I'm trying to make sure that you understand the paperwork that you signed.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So do you understand you have a right to jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand you or your attorney have a right to question any witnesses the state would call to prove this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand you have a right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up that right?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up that right and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Cortez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
No, ma'am.
All right. Do you wish to have another attorney?
No. It's okay. Yeah, but just,
Just asking, are you satisfied with what I've done for you or not?
oh, well, yeah, no, yeah, you don't do so much, you know?
All right. So my question is, are you satisfied with the way your attorney has represented you?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No, ma'am.
Counsel, have you had a chance to consult with an immigration attorney?
I have.
He has, Judge, and he's also gone to the consulate and discussed his situation with them also.
All right. And Mr. Cortez, have you had ample time to speak with an immigration attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And do you understand, based upon your plea on this case, that you could be deported from the United States?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that you could be denied naturalization or citizenship?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's $1,000 fine. The state recommends community supervision. And was there an application for deferred adjudication or no?
There was not, Judge.
All right. So if you all can initial here that there is no application. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea?
It is, Judge.
State is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the most common mistake, thinking GPS is about time. Nope, it's about location tracking. Basically, if you say you're at restaurant A but your ankle monitor says you're at restaurant B, problems. Interesting side point, job hunting has gone digital, which means restrictions can block opportunities before they even start. That's a subtle way GPS creates hidden barriers.
All right, Mr. Cortez, did you review the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 150 hours community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
All of the documents that I've reviewed with you are in English. Were those explained to you in Spanish?
No, I don't.
You don't, do you need them to be explained to you in
No, ma'am.
Spanish?
No.
And are you fluent in the English language?
Yes, I am.
All right. Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contact.
State any evidence.
Contained in exhibit 1 in attachments, Your Honor.
No objection, Judge.
All right, states you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the document entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am. I just signed.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
You are, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge, I think Mr. Cortez wants to tell the court, we're asking the court to follow the plea bargain, of course, and grant him his community supervision. And he's working on dealing with what he has to do to avoid deportation. But from the day that he hired me, Judge, with this particular case, he didn't have any traffic warrants. There had been an incident at his house where another young gentleman showed up with a gun. So he took off, and then when the sheriff's deputy got behind him, he just panicked and just took off on the motorcycle. But he just said, Mr. Mitchell, I just panicked. I freaked out and took off. So
All right, who is Eric Perez?
Eric Perez, yeah, that's my son's friend, but I mean, he wasn't allowed at my house because he had taken a gun to my house and he was showing my son and he almost shot my son. Like he was inches away from him, so he wasn't allowed in my house because of that incident, right? So I was coming back from work and like I went to my son's room just to say hi to them, because I was gonna go to my second job. And when I walked in there, I smelled marijuana in the room, right? So I'm like, looking around, I'm like, dude, I can smell marijuana in here. Well, there was marijuana underneath my son's bed. And then out of the closet, Eric comes out. So that right there just boiled my blood. I mean, I was mad, because he wasn't supposed to be in my house, so I called his dad and I told him, hey, but his dad was drinking. So I was like, I just told him, let's go, come on. So I took the weed that he had there, I put it in my pocket. And then he said he had he had pills too. So he stayed with the pills. Anyway, so we were walking outside to, I should have taken my truck, but since I know he rides motorcycles, the little boy. So I was working on his motorcycle and I don't know why, I ended up taking him with that motorcycle to his house, right? And I was mad. So, I thought I was driving good, but obviously the cop said that I was swerving or something like that. So that's why he turned the lights on. But whenever I saw the lights on, I knew about the weed that I had in my pocket, so that just made me like panic. And so I took off, you know. And then once I got to the creek, I got rid of the weed. He threw away whatever he had. And so you know, we gave in. I mean, we didn't ran or nothing. I just wanted to get rid of that stuff that I had in my pocket, you know, because I didn't want to be charged for that because of some previous 2006, some accident that happened that I was charged with something that wasn't even on my possession, you know? So,
What charge in 2006?
I'm sorry, Judge.
What charge?
I think he was given probation back in 2006 for a drug possession case.
but it was
I
not
did not
mine.
represent him and he's maintained ever since. There's nothing we can do about that. That was, 20 years ago, but he took a plea on a case that he says he didn't feel like he should have, but
Well, I did it for my wife, you know, but I didn't know it was gonna mess up my life like that, so. Anyway, so this guy, Eric Perez, I mean, you know, when this happened, like, I was like, man, you know, I did wrong because of me, like, pushing him out of my house, taking him out of my house, got me, you know, I was so mad and like, it got me to where I am right now, you know? So I let him, you know, I talked to him, you know, let him come back to my house. You know, he was being good for a while. He was even like, he made a big change at school. Cause he was like, you can check his records, it's bad, like he was bad, well, he's bad now again, but. He was doing good until like 3 months back that, I found out that he was coming to my house in a stolen car. So I stopped that and like, he wasn't allowed in my house anymore, you know?
All right, just give me a moment. All right, is there anything else?
No, man.
no, Judge, you can see that from what Mr. Cortez has told you and he's very contrite about what happened and very upset that he's even put himself in this position to be here today in front of you, so.
All right, you can unfold your arms. So how many children do you have?
I have 3,
What are their ages?
18, 15 and 14.
Okay. All right, the court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's $1,000 fine that will be probated, 150 hours community service restitution, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Where's your son's mother?
We live together.
Okay. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular random UAs. Defensive driving course. Field visits. 1 time per month for 6 months. And I'm going to order parenting classes. Once he completes parenting classes, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied.
Thank you.
Probation, is there anything else? 150. All right, is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and you're not allowed to possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can go off the record. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. Make sure you stay in contact with probation. If you feel as though you have an issue that they're not addressing, you can always come back to the court. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Judge, thank you. Thank you for providing time.
Thank you. All right, yes, we'll have them come back at 1:30. Do you want me to go address them?
I'm waiting for Mahia and I can't leave.
Okay, I can step out and tell them. Or wait, we can wait. All right, thank you. I follow your cues. Guadalupe Alvarez.
Go ahead, Judge. Let's go.